Hey guys, how are you? I'm here today at Middle Creek area, just outside of Stanifer on the Tingha Plateau, chasing some jellybeans, terminations, you know, quartz, smoky quartz, and again whatever sparkles. So this is one of my favourite places to come for that kind of stuff. Really easy digging, really easy to find stuff. You won't go home empty-handed. At the moment, as far as I know, Middle Creek is the only place open to fossicking. I've been told to ask at Jellybean Junction, but haven't got up there yet. I've just decided to come here and show you what we find. So we'll go for a walk and have a look.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
So there's this sign here, it's just Crown Public Land. Yeah, have a read. And this is the entrance way in. There's a bit of a path, I think it goes for about 500 meters or so. I've never gone to the end, but we'll go to the end today and see what happens. So I'm only like not even 100 meters down the track, and I'm at this little place where I like to have a bit of a dig, usually in the creek, just digging straight into the sieve and sieving straight back into the water, and I find some nice stuff. However, there's been a fair bit of rain here recently, and I'll just show you like the flood debris. I mean, it's up in the trees over there even. So that's taller than me. You know, I'm 5'9", and the water's obviously been up over that, so there's been a fair bit of water come down, which means everything would have changed, you know. New stuff washed down, old stuff washed down further. I did shoot down here the other day when I first got here and had a bit of a look and found some really nice stuff, so I'm going to look further on today and show you guys what kind of stuff you find here. I've been having a bit of a dig. When I got here there were some people here, so I've just been digging and having a chat, but yeah, they've just taken off. So I'm going to show you guys this area that I'm digging. It's pretty much just walk to the end of the track, and you'll come to this part here. So I've just come down, there's the creek here, a little mound, and the creek runs around the back as well. Now the water's travelling in that direction, and all I've been doing is digging just along in here, just scooping off the top. I'm going to do a sieve now and I'll show you guys what I get. So just looking down here now, got this little termination, crystal clear, nice bit of quartz. This bit of smoky. This nice little bit of smoky that's still got a kind of a point, and it's quite dark, which I like. Here's a smoky jellybean, which is clear as well. Oops. So there's some other stuff here like that jellybean, but I'm not after that. That'll polish up really nicely. And a lot of smaller stuff, but I'm not chasing smaller stuff today. I've got enough of it. Just looking for stuff that really stands out in the smoky. I love the smoky. I love the darkness. So yeah, those 4 pieces in that one little sieve. There's plenty around. And yeah, anywhere in the creek really, you don't have to come to this spot. You can dig anywhere. Just keep an eye out, there are leeches in this creek, so go for a little bit of a walk up the creek, go up a little bit further, have a look, see if it's got anything a bit better. I've almost filled the little container I've got, so I might need to sort some out and tip some out. I'll just flip this around and show you this other side of the creek. So that's where I just was, and I'm just following that little bit around. Someone's dug a bloody hole over there. I don't know why, like it's just straight down hole. Yeah, anyway. This side over here looks pretty good. Even just in this bit. And I'm not going up that way. So for me, that's the end of the track there. I'm just going to have a dig up in these bits up here, where it looks like there's been a few people that had the same idea. This is how easy this place is to fossick. I've literally just sat down on the bank. I was just doing my shoes. Right next to me, oh, where did it go? Lost it now. It was easy. Oh yeah. On this side, there's a jellybean. Clear jellybean, just sitting right there. And there was a termination on this side. I just should have pinpointed where it was, but oh well. Like, it really is that easy to find stuff. So I'm going to have just found something else. Another bit of quartz. Drop both of them. Another clear bit of quartz there. So I'm going to have a bit of a dig in a couple of different areas. So a lot of that stuff pretty much just the same. It doesn't seem to matter where I dig. It's all generally the same kind of stuff, so just pick a spot, I guess, and dig it for a little bit and move on. Okay, so this is pretty much everything I'm going to take home. You can see there's some nice sized jelly beans. That one there's the biggest. It'll polish up really well. There's some really clear ones, even clearer than that. Some nice darker pieces, some nice yellow pieces, nice little terminations, kind of a mixed bag, but that's about everything that I'm going to take today. This one's probably my favourite. It's still got a bit of a point, the smoky, so yeah, I'll definitely polish that up and put it on display. So yeah, as you've seen, it's pretty easy fossicking here. It doesn't take much at all, and there is some cool stuff to find if you're ever down this way. Remember, this is Middle Creek in just out of Stanifer. It's literally around the corner from the town. There's a little shop there called Jellybean Junction. Stop in and have a look. He's got a really cool little shop. He'll also, I think he does tours around here as well, which could be something to look at. There are a lot of places that are closed on the plateau, so this was the only one that everybody was 100% sure was still open to fossicking, and it's been pretty crowded the couple of times I've come down here, so still plenty to find, and I'm still finding stuff lying on the bank as I'm sitting here. Here's another little quartz termination, so I'm going to keep specking, but that's pretty much all I've got to show you for this place. You really don't need a video on how to fossick here. It's just come out here and have a dig. It's not hard, anyone can do it. Less able people, kids, you know, spend 20 minutes here and the kids will love it. They'll have some shiny stuff to take home. And yeah, if the other places are open, there's also chances of finding even better jelly beans and terminations. I know that for a fact because we've dug in some of those in the previous years and found some really cool stuff. So yeah, if you get down there, good luck to you. Hope you enjoyed the video. What more can I say? Just get out and have a dig, I guess. See you guys next time.